But what if you could customize your organizer anytime to fit your new tools or upgrades? Even if your hobby changes, you don't need a new organizer. You keep it and adapt it. Want to make room for your new gear? Easy. No tools, no fuss, just your hands and a little click magic. That's it. And suddenly, it fits in the one drawer everyone gave up on. Or why stop at one? Combine them, they team up. Easy join another Modunizer and make more space in seconds. Or use it on its own. Compact, portable, always ready. Then dock it into your main setup. Even other boxes find their place beside it, because real organization adapts, not replaces. But what happens when your tools change? Or your hobbies do? With Modunizer, you don't toss it, but you transform it. New walls, new layout, and just like that, it's your sewing sidekick. You just need to click, print, build it. That's it. And to make it even easier, you don't hunt through files or parts. The Modunizer app has you covered. Yes, you don't have to be an engineer. The Modunizer generates every piece. Custom, clean, ready to print. The walls and dividers give you pure design freedom. 144 variations, made so you can carve out the perfect spaces for the items you own. Then come the floors, 231 perfectly measured plates, from small to massive, each one flattening the base and locking tiny items exactly where they belong. And all of it comes in 4 tolerances, from tight to loose, so it always fits the way you want. More than 2,200 pieces. Here's where Modunizer also saves time. Select the tolerance, choose the part, set the height, length, size, or type. And you can visually verify everything as it updates in real time. What's next? Bam, hit confirm. And the STL is created on the spot. No manual file search, no whatsoever. Projects change. Tools come and go. Spaces evolve. Different tools, different spaces, different needs. One system, endless ways to use it. Print it, build it, rebuild it when life changes. This is Modunizer, built to adapt.